We are going to introduce what is parabola and the history of parabola. And as we all know, the graph of a quadratic function forms a U shape, which is called a parabola. I'm going to introduce the history of quadratic formula. Quadratic formula was first found out by Egyptians who used words and charts to explain it, and then by Greek, Pythagoras had made a grammatical approach to explain it more deeper. And then in about 480 BC, the Chinese people had using the method of quadratic equation obtained the root, but there are no general solving method is put forward. In about 300 BC, it could present a more abstract geometric method to solve the parabola equation. In the 11th century, the Abraham in Arabia developed a set of formulas for positive solutions of the equation independently. Abraham Bahia, in his book Libya in Babylon, for the first time to complete the quadratic equation into Europe. For the several years, there are many mathematicians from other countries have developed quadratic formula, and quadratic formula is used very common in our daily life. And then Joseph will introduce to you.
What Grace introduced before, we know about the history about the parabola. Now I will show the use of parabola in our daily life. Basketball is a good example. The video shows the player throwing a basketball, and the use of parabola will help us to analyze the past basketball goals. Although the basketball needs more experience to play well, the math behind it should be more concerned. Stand up well and what angle to shoot may decide the rate of throwing in the basket.
In sports, building, environment, and a lot of things may also use parabola. For example, ancient people use parabola to build a building, and most of them still stay till now. And using parabola can let those buildings become more beautiful and solid. And how to calculate this parabola and how to use this parabola formula to build this building.
Like what Joseph mentioned, the parabola is everywhere in the real world. And now, let's throw a basketball from the perimeter to one side of a basketball yard. We can actually find out if let the Joseph height 2 meters and the maximum height of the ball is 8 meters high, and when hit the ground is equal to 0 meters. So we can actually find the 3 points of the ball. And now we know the quadratic function is actually a parabola. So we're using the parabola to calculate how the ball moving. We let these 3 points into the function. We will find out the c equals to 2, and we let them. Then we're solving this 2 function. We get y equals to 4/15x squared minus 4/15x plus 2. And this is the function. How is this parabola moving? To my basketball questions. In the real world, there has a lot more examples and oh no! Let's move on to Charles to explain more situation in the real world.
Hello, I'm Charles. I'm going to talk about application of the parabola in the real world. There are many examples in the real world, such as the shape of the glacial cave to connect mountain. The rainbow after the rain. A bridge built on the river. Diversion channel from ancient Roman. The roller coaster are made up of many U-shapes. And also the fountain in the garden. They all are parabola.